Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Miami Lakes local and long distance movers near me. It would be great to hire our qualified and professional movers for your local, intrastate, and interstate moves. We have an excellent rapport with the federal, state, and local authorities in charge of the moving system of the country. We also have some insurance policies in place to protect our clients' interests. The policies cover all liabilities incurred during and after the move. Are you wondering about the strength of our team? Well, we boast a team of professional and dedicated movers who do their duty with no hassle. We can assure you of a hassle-free delivery. We are cautious with clients' properties and also make these services affordable to them. Our services are equal to your money's worth, leaving you satisfied in the end. Local moves are not as expensive as long-distance relocations. Our rates are affordable, going at a charge of about $30 to $40 per hour. We can always provide you with value for your money if you hire us. We can do this easily because of our qualified and professional movers. Not only are they familiar with the local terrain, making it very easy to transition between places. If you need a moving plan, we can help you map out a plan suited to your current situation and budget. You can ask around from our previous customers about our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Miami Lakes moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.